Hi, Queen Elsa here. I'm about ready to log all of the reading for me and the princesses this week. So what I'm going to use is my Beanstack app. That's where I can log all the summer reading. The princesses and I have been reading a lot, and you'll see that there are several princesses that I am required to log books for. So I can do it really easily all at once right here at the end of the day. So to do so, I'm going to click on the little plus at the bottom of my app, and I'm going to select reading for my preschool because she is completing books. My preschooler completed some books today. I'm going to enter the title that we completed today. We read Green Eggs and Ham together. It is one of our favorites. I don't need to track our progress because we finished it. I don't need to worry about how many pages it was. I just want to quick log it as complete. Next, I'm going to log for my second grader. She's logging activities. My second grader's name is Moana. She is such a good reader. Look at that. She already completed level 1 and level 2. We had to complete those two to get to level 3. Now we're working on level 3, and tonight we read 15 minutes. Tomorrow we'll read 15 more. Next, I'm going to log for my fourth grader, Cinderella. Cinderella also already completed level 1 and level 2. She is moving so fast. So now it will let us log for number 3. We already read 20 minutes for level 3. We read another 20 minutes tonight, so we are ready to keep going. Next, I'm going to log for my 6th grader. My 6th grader's name is Snow. That's right, Snow White. Snow White hasn't started. She's having trouble getting going this summer, but she's making progress. She read 30 minutes last night and 30 minutes tonight. She is all set. When we get all 6 of those activities finished, we'll earn our badge. Just my teenager left to go. My teenager is logging books. Sweet Rapunzel finished a whole book yesterday. She told me she finished reading The Hunger Games. So I'm going to type in that she finished The Hunger Games. And I'm not going to track her progress because she finished it. I don't need to put in how many minutes or pages she read. I'm going to quick log it as complete. Yay! Oh, I don't want to forget my own reading because of course I can earn points too. And I'm going to log that I finished my book as well. And the book that I finished was called High Achiever. And again, I finished it, so I don't need to track my progress, just that it was completed. Quick log as complete. All right, look at that. Mama earns a badge. Way to go, Queen Elsa. All right, looks like I'm done for the night. See you tomorrow.